Planet Earth is full of incredible creatures. From the dense rainforests to the vast oceans, life thrives in every corner of our world. Each ecosystem is a testament to the beauty and diversity of nature. Animals of all shapes and sizes make our world more beautiful. Whether it's the majestic lion roaming the savanna or the tiny hummingbird flitting between flowers, each species adds its own unique charm to the tapestry of life. From the smallest insect to the largest whale, each animal is special. These creatures have adapted to their environments in fascinating ways, showcasing the incredible ingenuity of nature. They all have important roles to play. Wildlife needs our help. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Their homes are called habitats. These habitats provide everything animals need to survive, from food and water to shelter and space. Forests, oceans, and deserts are all examples of habitats. Each habitat is unique and supports a different community of plants and animals. When we protect habitats, we protect animals. By preserving these environments, we ensure that wildlife has a place to live and thrive. Let's go on a journey. Together, we will explore the wonders of wildlife and the incredible places they call home. We will explore the world's most amazing animals. From the exotic to the familiar, each one has a story to tell. Get ready to learn about their lives and homes. Discover how they interact with their environment and the challenges they face. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom.
The tiger is a powerful cat. It has orange and black stripes. These stripes help it hide in the tall grass. Tigers live in Asia. Tigers are hunters. They eat deer and other animals. They use their sharp claws to catch their prey. Tigers are very strong. Sadly, tigers are endangered. This means there are not many left in the wild. People are working hard to protect tigers. We need to save these beautiful animals.
Elephants are the largest land animals. They are known for their big ears and long trunks. Elephants are very intelligent. They live in families called herds. Elephants are herbivores. This means they eat plants. They use their trunks to eat leaves and fruits. Elephants love to play in the water. Elephants are important to their ecosystem. They create clearings in the forest. This allows other animals to thrive. We must protect elephants and their habitats. Section 4. The soaring eagle, king of the skies. The eagle is a majestic bird, often regarded as the king of the skies. With its powerful wings and graceful flight, it commands the air with an unparalleled presence. It has sharp talons and a hooked beak, perfect for catching and tearing its prey. Eagles have incredible eyesight, allowing them to spot even the smallest movements from great distances. Their vision is among the best in the animal kingdom. They can spot prey from far away, often from heights that seem unimaginable. This keen eyesight is crucial for their survival, enabling them to hunt efficiently. Eagles build nests on high cliffs, providing a safe haven for their young. These nests, known as eyries, are often reused and added to over the years, becoming massive structures. They are carnivores, relying on a diet rich in protein. They eat fish, rabbits, and other small animals. Their hunting skills are honed to perfection, making them formidable predators in their habitats. Eagles are a symbol of strength and freedom, often revered in various cultures and mythologies. Their majestic presence inspires awe and respect. Eagles play a vital role in the food chain, maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They interact with other wildlife, often influencing the behavior and population of other species. They help control populations of other animals, preventing overpopulation and the depletion of resources. This ecological role is essential for the health of their environment. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. A thriving eagle population indicates a balanced and vibrant habitat, showcasing the intricate connections within nature.